This is a guy by the name of John Latham, who is a tireless freedom warrior. And anyway, it made me feel good that he would ask me that I could help him out. He's also a friend of James Morris and Anna Marie Morris, who are also tireless um, patriots. So anyway, carrying on. So this is my message here. If you give me your email, I'll be my best to help you. I put up 4 videos under Jimbikeman keyword James Morris for County Commissioner on YouTube. I also have close to 2,000 videos up. I want to thank YouTube, Google, for allowing me to do this, because there ain't no way I could go to the news and that they would give me any kind of airtime. This is something that he says that he wanted to use the footage of me for the Cop Watch Twitter, Facebook. And he says, I will give you credit. Well, me, John Latham, James Morris, Anna Marie, we don't do things, I'm assuming, at least me, I don't do things just for credit. I don't do things knowing I'm going to get a reward. My reward is knowing that I'm not watching things in America. I'm doing things in America. This is my sincere message to John Latham. And so anyway, you can see that right there. And then I'm giving him a message about what I did. And I'm telling him I do things not for credit. I do them because I feel like they're the right things to do. So his email is baywatch@yahoo.com. Now I'm talking about the PDF Post-Arrest Prosecution that I created. It's only one page that is designed to protect Americans of their rights that they're not taught about in school when it comes to cops. So I'm saying it'd be honored to have him post on YouTube where I busted the cops and served them my PDF Post-Arrest Prosecution paper. So he's saying here, I'd have to review it first and cite you as a contributor. And then I'm telling him what you decide to use in my 2,000 videos, it can help. Right there, I'm giving stuff here, letting him know that whatever he can use, help him out. Now this is the one where he saw me at Friday Fest. This one where the cop there was telling me to leave Friday Fest. They were claiming it was private. And so he's saying the cops are wrong about it being private when it was advertised by Downtown Improvement Board as a public record. I would demand to speak to the lieutenant or higher commissioned officer, as they don't make enough money to answer my questions. I would also ask them if they are legislators, since they seem to be manufacturing bullshit law. And I'm letting them know I don't go to the den of thieves, the cop shop. Letting them know. Then I'm referring him my dirtycopperstopper.com that I created. And then see newer says in here, you can start by sending Bay Cop Watch, Panhandle Cop Block video contributors, make those organizations. They are. Now, here's the thing I'm kind of confused about. He says your filming of the cops was pretty hard right here. I'm kind of confused about that. Now, this is showing the actual video, and you be the judge whether or not it sounds to me like I was being harsh.
Why not? You're scared.
First of all, number one, I was defending my home, these super loud car stereos, these boom cars going up and down the road. The cop was saying to me, we're sick and tired of you calling about the boom cars. And I'm telling him, you do something about it. That's what you're supposed to be doing. And also they put ambulance and fire department people in danger under 806.10 of the Florida statutes. They're also American terrorists under 876 of the Florida statutes. It is the duty of the cops to arrest them in Panama City cops, Florida cops, under 877.03 of the Florida statutes. It's the duty of the Sheriff's Department to arrest them under 3015 of Florida statutes. See, there's all kinds of laws, even the Florida Constitution. I will show you where it says Article 2, Section 7 of the Florida Constitution, where it specifically states that noise will not be tolerated. But anyway, to carry on this right here. So anyway, I'm kind of confused about John Latham saying that I was being hard on the cop. All I did is I asked him, I said, take my paper. It's on my door, PDF oath, arrest, and prosecution. Why wouldn't he take it? This is the paper that I have on my door. It's my PDF oath, arrest, and prosecution right here. Cops are to sign this under oath of perjury. See where it says Jimbikeman? PDF oath, arrest, and prosecution right there? See that right there? It's only one page, that's it. It's only one page. Only one page. That's it. Only one page. There right there? See? Look at this. Now, this right here says no drugs, guitars only. That's my only drug. That's my drug of choice right there. So this is showing me the videos that he's got on, I guess, on his website here. So I'm saying, so what I'm saying to him, why don't you show me actual videos, no play acting, how you personally handled a situation like this. So far, I have not seen anything. Okay, this is talking about where he did an ambush interview with Glenn Hess, who is state's attorney. Okay. And I will be looking at it. Okay, this right here is showing. It's showing the Gary Beck hearing where I went there. DUI checkpoint. FHB checkpoint. Search for contraband. Now, they have not confronted me for a reason. What's that reason? Okay, let's see. I'm asking for where website is, and then I'm asking about Bacon versus McKeith, and about where he says I asked Hess about it, but did not come up with the video. His wife was trying to get rid of me the whole time. I start out polite and respond to the energy that status gives me. Cop Block does more of the yelling at them right away, so I assume you would like more J.P. Freeman. Fine, correct. This guy was arrested for recording. Can you give me full name? Okay, now, here's not all cop blocks. A lot of their actors come, some of them are very to the far left, which I don't mean. I'm going to be asking him what he means by that, because I'm kind of confused about that. So I'm asking, what is the full name? J.P. Freeman. I don't remember. He goes by New England Cop Chasers. That's what the group is called right now, that is. Okay, that's the end of it. Now this is Article 2, I believe, Section 2. All natural persons, females, males alike, are equal before the law. That means cops ain't above us. Have unalienable rights, among them the right to enjoy and defend property, to pursue happens to be, and to protect property. So when I was calling about these boom cars, I was only defending my property in the least drastic way I could think of, which I probably called over 1,000 times. Now, this is showing what a cop is supposed to be doing. See, it says public officers there. Look what it says. Each state and county officer, before entering upon a duty, shall give bond as required by law. Swear, I will solemnly swear that I will support, protect, and defend the Constitution, the government of the United States and the state of Florida. I am duly qualified to hold office. Okay, that applies to the cops too. All right, now let me just say something here. Now, this is showing Article 2, Section 7 of the Florida Constitution. Okay? Now notice down here, notice where it says unnecessary noise. Look at this right here. Unnecessary noise. Unnecessary noise. Excessive and unnecessary noise. So those are them boom car punk motherfuckers. Now notice where it says Law Enforcement Officers Bill of Rights in the state of Florida. Notice where it says an extra layer of due process. What that means is a cop, he's going to have an attorney that's already, the union's already probably got waiting for him any time. And so the average person doesn't have that luxury. Notice here where it says the interrogation of a cop must be recorded. Not me. Anytime I've ever wanted to use a recorder, no sirree. Because they know I'm going to use that recording against them.